So when I started looking for ways to make money online, right? Trading was one of the things that I wanted to do. Right? There was trading, there was affiliate marketing. So those were actually my main goals. Trading was something that I tried after I think affiliate marketing, if I still remember correctly. Yeah. So I tried the trading on IQ option. It was like a platform called IQ option. So that's where I actually tried my luck. Now, if you are actually starting, right, and you are basically looking for ways to earn some income online, trading is not one of the things that I will actually suggest anyone to do. You don't want to do trading, right? It's actually like I tried it. I started with something like $200 on IQ option, and I basically lost everything. So yeah, I won't suggest trading. I won't, even though there are people, professionals that will tell you, oh, you know, to do this and that and that. Like, yeah, there are people who actually make money, but trading is actually risky, very, very risky. So in fact, I would recommend anybody to start a YouTube channel. So actually have more success to have on YouTube, on affiliate marketing, or any other thing other than trading, right? Because trading is more like gambling. And there are many people who actually say, oh no, trading is not like gambling, it's not like betting and stuff. It's one and the same thing, right? Because you don't know how things will turn out. Even the professionals tell you that you're going to lose. Right? Even though they try to find some excuses that you're going to minimize losses and stuff, you will lose. Right? That's the whole thing. Even betting, the reason why it exists in the first place is that they know that there's an opportunity to lose. Okay, there are some people who try to study the system, yes, but most of the times it doesn't go their way. So trading is same as gambling. So if you're actually comfortable with betting, with gambling, yeah, you can do trading. But as for me, I don't think that I will trade, even though I've read a couple of things online, and I've kind of read like some courses on how to trade, how to understand different lines and stuff. If all bunch of things that those traders they show you, the lines, the patterns and stuff. Right? I still not comfortable trading, because that thing has actually landed a few people into trouble, right? Like a friend of mine actually did this to someone. Right? They actually borrowed someone. In fact, he convinced that guy to, try trading, because the man didn't understand he's actually like an older guy, so he didn't understand much about trading. So what he did is that he made him to deposit money. I think it was around what, $2,000. And the guy didn't have a job. Like, he will come with his computer and stuff, and they will show the guy, like, no, you have to do this if the line this. They know the lines, right? So if the lines is like this or the patterns like this, you have to maybe do a buy or sell or whatever. And all those tricks that they always show you, those traders always show you. I was doing that stuff. He lost everything. $2,000, someone else's money. In fact, they were used to tell me that, man, in a few months we'll be streaming in money, right? We'll be driving nice cars, but unfortunately they are still walking. They're not having a car. In fact, they're actually working, right? They have a regular job. And the funny part is that when they are telling me this thing, right, I was actually laughing, right? Because I knew, I've known this stuff for years. I've tried this stuff, right? So actually they're not like my close friends, like close friends. They were just friends, the people that I knew, right? Yeah, they were having fun, right? And they were actually saying, in a few years we'll be, driving these amazing cars and stuff. We'll have money, and we're going to make $10,000 in the first 2 months. One of them actually asked me to invest, right? And he was actually saying that we have this bot, right? And this bot is able to, kind of predict, the patterns, and we'll make a lot of money. So I need to invest. Like, in the back of my mind, right, I knew that this is not going to end well, because I've been there, right? Fine, maybe, but then I didn't have the boat that they were talking about. But I already knew, like, nothing is going to work out. And actually, I told him that, I've tried trading, and it didn't end well. But they were like very consistent. So they went to the point of actually inviting someone else, right? where the money if you invest, I think you had something like $2,000. So in the investor, so I was assuming maybe they will make a lot of money. Now, according to them, they said that you're going to make what? They're actually going to make $10,000 in the next 2 months. But then by the end of the year, they'll have made like 100,000. So that was what they said, and that their bot can actually achieve these results. And well, it didn't end well, right? Because they lost the money, and they're actually still working a 9 to 5 job. So the guy was furious and hated them for that. So yeah, they lost the money this month. So trading is not as simple as people put it, right? It's gambling. You lose, you gain. Like for many people that always tell you that you're going to make a lot of money through trading, just know that it is not as simple as they put it. It is a risk that you have to take, right? And most of the times, like, it doesn't end well. Like if you've seen the life of gamblers, people gamble and do bad, the income is not consistent. Right. That is why I say, like, you have more chance of succeeding on YouTube rather than on trading, or betting, or anything like that. At least on YouTube, you'll make something, you'll be getting something instead of like losing something and stuff. But if you're not going to make any money on YouTube, you're not going to make any money. So it's what it is, a gamble. And of course, you've got like a chance to make money on affiliate marketing. Anything that will make you money, not take away money from you. So as I've said, like, I tried gambling a couple of years ago and actually lost $200 on IQ options. I made some money and I lost some money. So it was kind of like this back and forth, right? I will make something like maybe $20 or $30, right? Maybe tomorrow I lose $25 or $40. To eventually I lost everything, right? I don't know if it's everything, but I think maybe I lost 150 or something. Then I had to withdraw another $50 because I knew that this wasn't working. So yeah, that's risky. I don't know why people actually promote this thing. If I were to trade, like, if there's one thing that I would recommend like doing, if you want to buy and sell stuff, right? I'd rather have you buy something like do peer-to-peer trading, right? Like buy Bitcoins or buy these other coins like Ethereum and stuff, right? And you do the exchanges, right? But you buy low and sell high. I think that is better. That is one way that I've seen like people making money through these exchanges, right? Buy something at a lower price and you sell it. So actually, that is the trading that I will try, not the daily trading that people are doing, right? Where you predict the market or in the next market it will maybe rise and stuff. So you have to buy yourself. I will not actually recommend anybody to do that. That's very, very, very risky. When I stopped trading, right, the guys kept calling me, and especially those like brokers. When you're not actually participating on that platform, they will call you, right? They called me actually, what's happening? Last time that we saw you is in this and this and that. Are you having problems? Right? We do have these programs that you can join, right, and become and make money trading and learn more about trading, so you can minimize your losses. That's what they'll do. That's their sales pitch. They'll try to make you think that it is actually easier. While they're collecting your money, they want you to put money. Even on the adverts, right? Like on YouTube right now, right? You will see someone tapping, right? You see, like, if you go there and you just sell, right? They don't make losses, right? It's always gains, right? If they sell something, they'll make a gain. They don't make a video, even an advert, where someone loses money. What you're seeing on YouTube is different, right? So what they will be showing you is that you're going to be winning every time. But when you go to their platform, you'll be doing most of the losing. So this trading platforms is just betting, guys. There's nothing different from just going in bet, because you're actually predicting like where the market will go. But you study the market, you study like what is happening, and based on those results, you can predict like what will happen. Or maybe the dollar will lose value, gold will lose value, whatever item that you're trading. But it is not always like a guaranteed win. Because if it was like that, I don't think they will be doing this stuff, right? They open casinos, they open all these betting platforms. because they know that you have a chance to win and also a chance to lose. It's just two ways. So yeah, trading is not something that I would recommend for people out there who are, oh, I want to trade and make money. Trading is it's not one of them. That I can assure you that it is not even worth it. Like I've seen guys who are trading. Some people have traded thousands of dollars and nothing is changing. That's when you know that this is betting. Like, because if you look at people like who do maybe YouTube or who do other things or who do content creation or do things like that, you see that they're advancing. Right? But for most people who are doing trading, most of them actually going down the drain. You're going to see like this person's life is not stable anymore. So it's actually like a gamble that people are actually trying to sell to you. So I tried trading and it didn't work out. And if you are to try or you are looking for something that you need to do, trading is definitely not one of them. Don't be tricked by people who actually want to use your money. Like most people that even in the comment section, oh, trade with this one, like, it's going to make you money. And you ask yourself, like, why are not they trading with their own money? But why do you want to make me money? You've got your money and you know that trading is making you money. Why don't you trade with your money and make yourself some money? Right? That's what they do most of the times, but nothing ever works out. So you'll be actually like losing your money to these brokers. And they love that. So yeah, guys, that's my story about trading. And personally, I wouldn't recommend anybody to start by trading. I rather suggest that you try other things, right? You try YouTube, you try maybe affiliate marketing, even though they're actually hard, right? But at least if you succeed there, you'll be, making something, right? As opposed to gambling, which is trading. You are not going to make a living through gambling. Again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.